A lot of students connect more with the math in a visual way if they can see it somewhere. But sometimes it's hard to find something that directly relates to the lesson. And so the nice thing about the 3D prints is they're custom made, and so whatever lesson I'm doing, I can take that math, run it into my 3D print code, and just spit out a 3D print for whatever the problem is, just to get the students interested, to make a memory associated with the lesson. If I do something wild or different, then maybe they'll remember it. Math gets a really bad rap, and so anything I can do to fight that, to make it fun, to make it exciting, I guess just trying to make math more identifiable, that's one thing that I've used them for.